Snow is just a piling out there, like, whoop woo, crazy. These are literally attaching to my shoes. I am picking up snow on the bottom of these shoes. Inside, Evie? Okay, let's go. Shake, shake, shake it off. Here you go. Yum carrot. Packing snow. The snow's not packing snow. I mean, it probably is, but it is packing up. Inches are gains, and more gains are inches. Okay, so sidewalks almost 3 inches. In the grass is 5 inches. The driveway is 3 inches. By the mailbox is 4 inches. At the end of the driveway curb is 5 inches. On the tree is 3 to 4 inches. Layered. Let's go. It went up an inch, and so it's at 6 in the grass right now. Not sure what you're doing. I think I need a shovel first. Okay, so I really have to shovel now. I think I've done measuring because you know what? We've probably cleaned 8 inches. Right there, we're gonna lose power for 9 days on the weather, so I have no idea how I feel about that. Okay, here I go. Woo! That is a lot of snow. I need to get this snowblower to work. Go! 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 Get the struggle right now. Oh my goodness. I tried this snowblower, but it wouldn't start, so I'm going back to shoveling. I mean, I might as well do something to get the snow out of the driveway. Shovel most of the driveway. Now it's the end of the driveway. It's so white out, but I'm so black. It's tired. I got my shorts and my jacket on. I'm quite toasty, actually. I finished shoveling the driveway. This is how much snow it made while I was shoveling. I don't see the point of reshoveling. Oh, and yes, I have a plastic bag around my iPad. It was weighing down everything. It's crazy. I took the plastic bag off so I can take some videos. Not that anyone cares. Top of it snowing, it is super windy. I'm telling you, it is absolutely crazy out here. I don't feel like shoveling anymore.